Hello fellow traders, welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. My name is Simon and I am here with a brand new signal. Today's signal is going to be on XAGUSD, aka silver per US dollar, and with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what do we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, as you can see on this weekend, the price actually closed with an actual negative summary points. This actually shows us that in the next week it might actually start a bearish trend to the downside. And as you can see at the Friday, at the end of the previous week, the price actually had a bearish momentum to it because the seller side was much more stronger than the buyer side. But as we all know, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on XAGUSD on 4-hour time frame. I have pre-drawn some zones for you. As you can see, there is a resistance zone above these highs, and this shows that there might be a lot of money and leverage for the price to gather from here and for the banks to gather from here and then start a bearish trend to the downside. And if we go to the weekly or daily time frame, there has been a really great bullish trend to the upside for a long time, and there is obviously an importance level of attention for actual break to the downside, which is actually going to be a fix for this big uptrend. So let's head back to the 4-hour time frame. Our trade area is actually this blue area, and we have to actually put our stop loss above these highs. And as you can see, we have a support area here, but this support area has a lot of equal areas to it. So this is going to be a weak support area, but there is a much more stronger support area below it that I've pre-drawn for you. So as always, what I want from you guys is to sit back, enjoy the music, and so I can make this more beautiful for you. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful signal here and set up, I just wanted to end the video with this. The key to successful trading is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. I hope you have enjoyed and have a good day. Peace.